Hello, I am making a cute kitty cat game, and I wanted to give you a quick tutorial of how to make an escape room style game with Google Slides. Okay, so let's check it out. If I go to my Google Drive, I am going to find my escape room game right here. Okay, so I already made all of my original slides. After the kittens finished eating fish and escaping the alligator, they were very tired. Help them to find a safe place to nap. So I'm putting in all of these things. The kittens began sleeping at 1 o'clock and napped for 2 hours. What time is it now? All right, and so the most difficult part of this is putting in the links. Now that I have all my questions, I will go back through and link everything. It's probably one of the most time-consuming things, but the more I do it, the more quick and fast I get at it. So as far as setting these up, you'll want to just grab pictures from wherever you can find them, either your own device, or you can insert image and search the web. You could search for kittens, paw prints, mazes, numbers, and things like this. For example, I found these clocks, and then I will link the clocks to the wrong side or the right side. Okay, so there's one correct answer and then two wrong answers here. All right, so which one am I on right now? I am on the turtles, I think. Okay, so I finished this one. Okay, so altogether, my question slides are 20. I have 20 question slides. So then I went ahead and made a wrong answer slide. And my wrong answer says, watch out, a rabid squirrel attacks from the sky. Click the paw prints to escape and try again. Now, sometimes I will add a hint on this page also. I might say, hint, an octagon has 8 sides, or hint, we're looking for 10 minus 2, or whatever it is. And then now we're gonna link this image right here back so they can try again. All right, and once you have this page, you just duplicate it for every single question slide that you have. Since I have 20 question slides, I will have 20 wrong answer slides. So I have those all set up right now. I just duplicated them over and over and over. You could change them if you wanted to. I thought about doing that, like, oh, there's a snake attacking or something else happened. Or, you know, you can change it to be funny. You can change it to make it go along with the storyline. But this is just the quickest, easiest, fastest way to do it, is to keep them all the same and add a little hint down here if you need to for each slide. Okay, so I already did some of them, like I said. So now I'm on this one. And what is the correct answer? 14 plus 4 is 18. So I'm going to click my button right here. And this is an image. I found it works much better if you insert an image and link it to the image. So I just searched over here for the number 18, clicked on it, sized it the way I wanted to, and now I'm going to link it to my next slide. So if they click this, it's going to automatically go to the next slide because they got it right. They're going to go to the next question. If they got it wrong, I'm going to link it to slide 28. So I'm going to click 28 here. I'm going to link this one to slide 28 because these are the wrong answers. 28. All right, let's do the next one. 14 minus 4 is 10. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to link it to next slide. 18 is wrong, so I'm going to link this one to 29. We're going to go to the 29 page if they get it wrong. 29. Next one, what is the correct answer? 3 plus 5 is 8. So I'm going to link this one to the next page if they get it right. Now also, I have a number and an image. I'm going to link both of them just so that no matter where they click, it's going to go to the right place. Okay, so I clicked, the tree is linked to the next slide and the number 8 picture is linked to the next slide. I'm going to do that for these. Which one was I on again? Who remembers? This was 29, so I'm on 30 now. Okay, so 30. Click that. I'm going to link the tree to 30. So hopefully you're getting the idea. I'll link this one to 30. Link the number to 30. And then when you're all done with that, you'll go down to your wrong slides and then you'll link this back to the original one. Hold on a second. Yep, I'm almost done. Okay, so this one was number 2. So then I'll link it to the second one. And this one would be number 3. So I'll link it to slide 3. Let's see, slide 3. There we go. And so that when they go through and they're like, oh no, I got it wrong. They're gonna click on these paw prints and then it's gonna send them back to slide 3 to try again. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Let me know if you have any questions. I didn't really go over how to like change the font and resize things and stuff like that, because I'm assuming you might already know. If you have questions about that, just shoot me a message. But these are super fun. I have a Jurassic World game. And so something that's really cool is once you do this once, this is my kindergarten and first grade level, I can go back and use the same exact slides, the same exact storyline, and I could just change the math problem slightly to make it a little more difficult for second grade. And then I can do it again, make them a little more difficult for third grade. So that's what I did with my Jurassic World Park ones. Now I have this Lost Kitten game that I'm working on. They sell really well. Once you're done, you're done. Another thing I really like to do is when I add them to my games here, so I don't have any live videos or anything, it's just these. So they're going to click on it, they're going to find part 1, Lost Kittens. I like to add a reading comprehension quiz that goes with the story, and then a kitten word search that goes with it. And that just gives it a little more of like, feel like they're getting something for their money. You know, they have a couple activities they get to do. They can retake the kittens game over and over if they want to. And then I entered this as an assignment. So they can just file upload right here. They can upload a file, a picture of their final game. Now, if you're sharing this on both Teach Me Truth and Outschool, Outschool requires that you make it more interactive. So that's why the comprehension quizzes are good. The kitten word searches are good. That makes it interactive. But one thing I did to make sure that my flex class got approved through Outschool is to put in a bonus level. And so they only get the bonus level if they share a screenshot of every other completed level, if that makes sense. Okay, so let's say there was 4 games and they have to share with me their completed screenshot from all 4 games. Otherwise, they're not going to get that bonus level. All right, so if I have 8 games here, what I'll do on Outschool is I'll say there's 7 games and then there's a bonus level. And then the story goes together. So if they don't get the bonus level, then the story is not going to finish. The kittens are still going to be lost. They're never going to find their mom. And so they definitely want the bonus level. And you can do that either way, but it's just a tip to get it on Outschool. All right, have fun creating classes. See you next time.